Processing of round sheath outer diameter. Max. Healing of round sheath with an outer diameter of up to 18 mm. Round sheath stripping length. Wire head full stripping 1 to 200 mm. Wire tail full stripping 1 to 150 mm. Max cross-sectional area for processing 1 to 95 square millimeters. BV hard wire max 70 square millimeters. BVR soft wire max 95 square millimeters. 95 square stripping lengths. Head stripping 1 to 100 millimeters. Tail stripping 1 to 100 millimeters. Driving mode 8-wheel belt drive. Screw motor lifting wheel in and out of the line. Pressure wheel up and down automatically adjusted. Stripping speed 3000 to 3500 pieces per hour. Length equal to 200 millimeters.